6. You said he's on the interstate?
It's 10-4. On the interstate, he's probably about a mile ahead of me right now. Going westbound towards
Copy westbound, I-24. Here you set up.
It starts as a routine observation on Piedmont Road, but the suspect quickly maneuvers a white Jeep Trackhawk, turning and doubling back. Officers must anticipate every move while weaving through high-speed traffic. Speeds are climbing, curves are tight, and every second counts. Would you follow? Knowing a single mistake could be catastrophic?
That's good up.
Watch out 520, watch out 520, he's coming right at you. He just sideswiped the car, Mayfield. He just sideswiped the car, and I think he might have hit 520's car.
You've got authority now to continue into Illinois until they can take over.
2-4, he's going flat. I think he might be about to bail right here before the state line.
Watch closely as the suspect sideswipes another vehicle, forcing officers to react instantly. Here, the tactical choice is crucial. Do you maintain pursuit or prioritize safety? At these speeds, one misjudged lane change could end it all. Could you make the split-second call under pressure?
Oh, 65. Hold if I can get it. Trying to get across these cataracts.
We're back eastbound. Definitely white male driver. He had something in his right hand. That's right where it was.
How far did you say eastbound?
Yeah, he cut the median, went through a guardrail and back eastbound. So it's still passing through. This dude's crazy.
946, I'm trying to get down and get back.
He keeps locking it up on me. I'm not sure what he's doing. I don't know if he's about to get out with something.
I'm coming.
Yeah, we're off-road. We're off-road before the 4. Off-road before the 4. We're by a AAA storage off-road. He's going through a field right now.
Copy off-road, AAA storage, exit 4.
Now the chase goes off-road, navigating fields and storage areas. The suspect's unpredictable moves test officer coordination. Spike strips and roadblocks are on standby, but timing is everything. This is the perfect example of balancing aggression with caution. Would you follow him through this terrain?
He's back on the interstate going eastbound.
10-4, copy eastbound from the 4. Meth tires?
I don't think his tires are flat. Back eastbound, passing the 4.
Eastbound, passing the 4.
He's back on the interstate, speeds climbing again. Officers must anticipate his maneuvers while maintaining safe distance. Pursuit formations shift dynamically, and any hesitation could be catastrophic. Real-time decisions like these separate successful containment from disaster.
Again right now. Looks like they hit the right mirror.
Speeds are still under 2, passing the 4. He's going to lock them up again on him.
All units be advised we've got stop 6 being deployed by Paducah PD between the 7.2 and 7.4. Stop 6 between the 7.2 and 7.4. units be advised Marshall County is now being sent to the intersection as well. 439, but I'm staying with script just before the 7. 10-4-430, stop 6 at the 7.
Fast and 6, 430.
Units now coordinate stop 6 deployment between exits 7.2 and 7.4. Here, pursuit strategy is key, positioning patrols to funnel the suspect toward a controlled stop. Notice how communication and real-time updates reduce risk while maintaining pressure. Strategy over speed wins the day.
Off-road at the 7.
Just went through a fence in the parking lot of the big church.
10-4 through the fence at the church.
He's going towards Pecan, Going towards Pecan. WKCTC.
10-4 headed towards WKTC. Between the church and the I-24.
Am I still good to pursue doing the hit another vehicle?
10-4.
We're going to go back towards Alvin Barkley. Go back towards the city. Eastbound on Alvin Barkley. Traffic's moderate. Speeds are about 80.
I got you sticking at 5 star. 10-4 eastbound on Alvin Barkley's traffic moderate, speed 6 and 5 star. Negatives on the stick at 5 star.
Eastbound through moderate traffic at speeds approaching 80 mph, the chase tests both officer patience and driving skill. Highway exits, intersections, and potential civilians add layers of danger. Each maneuver must be calculated. Would you risk pushing through, or would you call for a safe termination?
Just went off road in the field and exit 7 Lone Oak Road. 10-4 copy, 64 calling pursuit, going off road. He's now headed inbound, mishtailing, internal alerts.
64, I'll call it for you. Fast and lured, speeds are about 45 right now. Moderate traffic.
10-4 copy. We be advised we're sending Crazed to the county line as well, on Lone Oak Road. 4 inbound on Lone Oak Road. Contact the city. They're going to continue. Traffic is up on them. Possibly going to terminate. Central's verifying with PD, stand by this one. Current location.
Passing Dunkin' Donuts, going right on Jackson Street. No traffic at this time in our lanes, no traffic. Coming up on Taco Jones. Speeds are about 55. Check that 70.
Be advised, Vinegar P. Repeat, is not picking at pursuit. 10 forward, about the SO. Checking else, just one. 10-4 on Jackson Street, going down the center line. 10-4, copy, going down Jackson. Your mileage.
I've got 171,000 miles.
Come ahead of me.
You just let me know when you want me to pit.
I'll let you know. Maybe we're now going over Beltline overpass. Speed trick 70.
I don't know if you heard the traffic. You might be armed and dangerous if we do pit.
10-4, just use your high-risk stop procedures. McCrack is advising you if we terminate, they will terminate as well. He is ran into the vehicle on the Beltline overpass. Temple copy on vehicle, starts terminating the Beltline. So we're stopped, looks like we're stopped here, 1045, in front of the Old Economy Inn on the Beltline. 10-4, Old Economy Beltline, 1045.
The chase concludes as officers box the suspect in near the Beltline. Rapid coordination ensures minimal further damage. Watch the precision in positioning and approach, a textbook example of high-risk vehicle termination. The suspect is in custody, but the lessons in timing, communication, and controlled force are clear.
On your knees, now!
I got cuffs.
On your knees!
On your knees!
Hands on your head!
Hey, hold it.
On the stomach!
I got it. Here you go. Is anybody else in the truck? Is anybody else in the truck?
No, sir.
Hey, has anybody checked on the person we hit? We gotta get him written on now. You do?
Once the vehicle is stopped, officers immediately secure the scene and check for additional occupants. Every action is procedural, hands, heads, and safety first. Even post-chase, the tension remains high. Notice the patience and professionalism, controlling the suspect without escalating violence.
He hit another vehicle before he ended at the Beltline. I've got that 47 when you copy.
Go to 47.
454 Charles David Young. You okay? Yeah, you good? Yeah.
Let's get traffic moving. One lane one way, one lane the other.
Is it any way I can take him home?
Your puppy dog?
Yeah.
If I had to, I'll take them home.
Yeah, what?
Oh, is there a neighbor home? Or is there a backyard?
You missed. Have you searched him for it? Okay.
Are you gonna touch me?
Yeah, I'll take him. Dude, what you had to do is pull over.
I was gonna pull over, man. I don't do drugs.
Yeah, hang on a minute, I'll move.
Is there any drugs in the car?
I've never been in trouble or nothing, man. Ever.
Is there any drugs in the car?
I don't do drugs, man.
I mean, it's
If
yes or
there is,
no.
it's not mine. Because I just borrowed this dude's car and y'all fucking blue lighted me. I don't know. Because I don't know if it was stolen. He is not a good friend of mine, but I don't do drugs, man.
You got any weapons in the vehicle?
I don't know if it's fucking stolen. He said I go to the damn school, man. I'm down here visiting my daughter, man.
Hey, don't move, dude. Hang on. You're in double turn block. It's ours are on this. Yeah.
I have no charges.
Are you hurt or anything?
No, I'm not hurt.
Okay. Well, I'm just checking.
You still.
He did this shit, man. He set me the fuck up on that truck, man.
I'm gonna grab some gloves for a second.
Now, please smoke a cigarette, man.
No,
Please.
buddy. It's long past that, man. It is long past that. You've already hit 2 innocent people.
Hey, you're asking for courtesy. That's not going to be extended.
It's fine. I've never been in trouble. I'll be out tomorrow.
A perfect mix of patience, coordination, and tactical precision. The chase ends safely, injuries avoided, and all suspects accounted for. If you enjoyed this breakdown of high-speed pursuit strategy, hit like, comment your thoughts on the maneuvers, and subscribe for more expert chase analysis from around the world.
I want to talk to you.
Hey. He's a lieutenant.
Well,
You got one better.
it ain't me.
You got the lieutenant here. And I'm
You got me on camera. Get out of that.
Yes, I do. Because I'm the
definitely
one
not.
that witnessed it. Get in the car.
It's all in dash camera, but he's high. He's high on meth.
Get in for a blood test. Get the warrant.
Okay.
Don't worry about charges and backing them all up later.
You want me to just lodge him on the first simple one so they'll have him, and then I'll work on all the citation. I'll still do them tonight, but then I can slowly top them without listening.
Oh, yeah. I'm fine. If they
Like
just need
doing
a
like
piece,
the
if they
first
need a
lead.
piece of paper, give them a piece of paper. And then go with the next ones, whatever you got to do.
Okay. I don't think. Hey, exit 3, we went all off road, but I don't think I took it slow. I don't think I hit anything hard, so it's just dirt and mud.
Get him to the hospital. Get him to blood.
Okay. Do
The jail.
y'all want me to do the collisions or stuff, or y'all have to
We'll
do
get all the rest taken care of.
Okay.
Get his stuff off the